Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is James. I am an interior designer based in Ireland, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own vision board for 2018, or if you want to do one for life, whatever. But I think it's better just to do one like by the year. I've never done one of these before because I don't know, I've never tried one of these before, but like I really want to try one this year and see if it works. But yeah, so what you're going to need is you're going to need to print off or find pictures or quotes or something that you aspire to achieve in this year. So for example, I have there's something you have to do. You have to be a bit ambitious and go outside the realm of possibilities a bit, and exaggerate what it is you want to achieve, because if you aim for the, what's the saying, if you aim for the moon you land somewhere among the stars or something like that. It's better to wish for more and fall short of that than wish for less and fall short of less. So for me personally, I want to reach 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, 10,000 followers on Instagram, 5,000 likes on my Facebook page, and then I want to start a blog for my interior design, and then I also want to get my website sorted, and then I want to start a gift wrapping service, and I want to continue with Christmas decorating again this year, but I want to expand on it. And then I got this quote I said, dream big or don't dream at all, and the ... I'll show you. Don't dream at all. And then I also want to be a member of the BNI group. It's like this business group thing. I done a vlog on it about 4 weeks ago, I think it was. But yeah, I was a visitor for it. But if you go back, I'll link that down below, or I'll put it in one of the cards that should be shooting across the screen somewhere, and you can watch that. And then I also wanted to start doing visual merchandising and window displays. So I'm really wanting to get into that this year, because I just love that when you go into a shop and everything's color coordinated and you go in, it's kind of like a showroom. I'd love to get into that because I done it for a couple of weeks as a work experience in TY, and I just thought it was so fun. And then also for my biggest of dreams this year is that I'd like one of my designs to be in a magazine. I know that could be oh come on, but I have a few projects that I'm doing this year myself, and they're professional jobs, and there's a possibility that when I didn't put up in the magazine, you never know, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and I wouldn't create a space for someone that I wouldn't be proud of. So if I say, for example, I was doing my granny's Christmas trees this year, and I don't go making her get new decorations and stuff. She just has the same kind of decorations. I just add bits here and there, but I wouldn't put them up on Instagram or whatever, because they wouldn't be my vision and my image for what I want people to see that I can do. I'm rambling a bit, but let's get into the process of how to actually create this vision board, and we'll see where it takes us. Okay guys, so for how I'm doing mine is I'm going to use a cork board that is just a €2 one, and I painted it white just so I can put in my room and it won't look out of place. So what I done for my pictures was I used a photocopier or the printer, and I got pictures online and I put them up on Microsoft Word, or I used Photoshop, but you can use Microsoft Word and just put them on so. And then you're going to want to get your scissors. I couldn't find my normal scissors, so I have the baby scissors, but you're going to want to cut out all your pictures, and then we're going to put them onto the corkboard and that's it. So you can follow along with me here. So I'm just gonna cut these out, and then I will check back in again when I'm finished. Okay guys, so I've now cut up all of the pictures that I'm going to use in. You're going to want to cut them out, then you're going to get your board that you're going to use in, and you'll place them out so you find like a neat kind of layout for them, and then you get your pins and you'll pin them in, and that's it. And I'll just show you how I made out mine now. I will. There you have it, you guys. This is my vision board career-wise for 2018. As you can see, I actually should hide this up here because obviously, maybe not this year, but you know, who knows next year. WordPress, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, BNI member, Christmas decorating, visual merchandising, window displays, my website, and then dream big or don't dream at all. That's what I like to say, and I get in trouble for it every day. So yeah. Okay guys, so there you have it. How to DIY your own vision board for 2018, because this is the year of just amazingness and ambition and just getting things done and just living your best life. So I really hope this video was helpful for you. This is just my personal way how I'm doing it this year. Now I could completely change it next year, I don't know, but this is like beginner guide to how to do it, and yeah, I had really fun filming this. Thanks again for watching. All my links are down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. I'm uploading every second day now, so you don't want to miss that because there's a lot of videos. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, let me know what you thought down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!